Hi guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you something that's going to be very interesting. I'm going to show you how you can make money walking dogs without actually walking the dogs. Okay guys? Yes, you can make money this way and you can make money online this way. Okay? My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com, and in this channel, YouTube channel that you're on today, I talk about how to make money online, and I talk about how you can make money online passively. And my favorite way is to do it through affiliate marketing. And in this video, you're going to learn how to use affiliate marketing to earn money with dog walking without walking the dogs. Okay. And I'm going to show you how you can earn even more ways than just dog walking with the dog niche. Okay, guys? This is a great topic. I love dogs myself, so I'm going to try to get you guys to learn how to earn this way. It's very fun to do. Okay, guys? So let's show you the first site I want to talk about here, okay? And it's going to be on rover.com. Okay, this is a site where people can search for dog walkers or dog sitting or dog boarding services, anything to do with the dogs that you need care about. Oh, and cats too. Sorry, I don't want to leave out the cats, but this is for dogs and cats. I don't want, it says for cats as well, so I just want to make sure I bring that up. Okay, guys, sorry about any cat lovers. I don't want to offend anybody, but this is about dog walking, so that's why I only talk about dogs. Okay, but okay, my point is, okay, people come to rover.com to get their pets taken care of during the day when they're working, during the time that they go on vacation, or just for a weekend. They're busy, whatever. They need their pets being taken care of, but you don't want to be the one actually walking the dogs or actually, caring for the dogs. So what are you going to do? You are just going to refer people to rover.com. Okay, so that's how you are going to use affiliate marketing. So with Rover, all you gotta do is go on Google and search Rover affiliate program, and the link for all-inclusive marketing will come up, and this is how you get to the affiliate program page for rover.com. Here you will see that you can earn 15% on your first booking with a newly created account. So you are only going to earn 15% on new customers. Okay, so it's not a lifetime commission, meaning if you brought in somebody and they book a dog sitting or dog boarding with somebody on the site, then you earn 15%. But if they book again, you're not going to earn any more commissions after that. Okay, so you're just earning on the first sale, which is majority of affiliate programs. That is how you earn. But some affiliate programs allow you to keep earning from that customer that you brought in. So, but that is not the case here, and that's why I want to bring this point up. Okay, so what you will do is that you will sign up with this program. Once you sign up with this program, you will get an affiliate link. Okay, once you have an affiliate link, then you can promote that all over the place to refer people to come and get their dogs taken care of by people on rover.com. Okay, and you're going to want to just keep watching, because I'm going to show you a way to get massive referrals. Okay, you're not just going to be sending a link to like this person or that person. Okay, you're not just going to be bugging your friends and family. This is not how affiliate marketing works. I'm going to show you the right way of how to make this a massive online business for you. Okay, you could actually earn a full-time income doing this online business. And I'm just going to show you the tool that you need later on to really kick these affiliate programs and make a lot of money with them. So the second site I want to show you is called bringfido.com. Bringfido.com is a very interesting website, and as a dog owner, like I would want to know about this site, because when people and when dog owners travel, they really want to take their dogs with them. And this site kind of shows you which hotels, restaurants, and things that you can do with your dog, and then you could bring your dog to the specific places. So here in this search, I love this. So it depends on what you want to search for your dog. Like if you want to look for services, or do you want to look for a restaurant that you can bring your dog with, or very important, hotels. Which hotels allow dogs to stay with you? I mean, I'm always looking for this myself. So this is a great service for you to also recommend to other people. Okay, so you can see you can actually book. So if you go to hotels here, you can actually book through their site. Okay, you could check out which hotels, whatever city you want to go visit, and see how much these would be, and you could book it through their site. See here, you can book this hotel in Chicago, just book it through them, and you could get credit for this booking, and you could earn commissions. So let's take a look at Bring Fido's affiliate program. So their affiliate program it was just at the bottom here, I believe. If you just go to affiliates, you will get to this page. Affiliate program. You see here, 78% of all dog owners stay at a pet-friendly hotel at least once a year. And every month, more than 700,000 people search for a pet-friendly hotel room online. You see this? That's a lot of people wanting to search for it, okay? So see, if you have a website or blog geared towards pet owners, tell them about Bring Fido, and we'll pay you $5 each time one of your visitors make a reservation online at bringfido.com. With more than 25,000 pet-friendly hotels available worldwide, your commissions can add up quickly. To get started, just fill out the application below, and then you'll get your links basically after you apply to them. Okay, so you will earn $5 commissions here for each booking that you will bring to them. And this other site is called sitstay.com. This is more of a dog supplies site. If you have a dog online business, you can add this to your things that you want to recommend, because the more things that you recommend, the more commissions that you can make, right? So this is another way for you to earn commissions on. To get to their affiliate program page, you would just have to go to google.com and search SitStay affiliate program. It's not readily available on the bottom of their page here, which usually that's where affiliate links are. But anyway, for this program, you can earn a good commission here. You can earn 8%, plus you get a 90-day cookie, meaning you have 90 days to convert this customer to earn commissions from. So once they click your link, your affiliate link, they have 90 days to make a purchase on this website for you to earn a commission. That's what 90-day cookie means. And you can see that their orders average between 65 and 241 a few years ago, so that's probably gone up by now in 2019. So you could earn a pretty penny from this website. And then the last one, the mother of all retailers, Amazon's affiliate program, is really awesome for pets, because you can earn a good 8% on pet supplies here. And not only that, you're going to earn on the total that they buy. So it's not, let's say you were just talking about dog beds like this one right here, and you were trying to get people to buy this bed, but they come on Amazon and they buy a bunch of different other stuff. You get credit too for that. So this is a great Amazon affiliate program. Is really great, and their affiliate program is actually called Amazon Associates. So if you just Google Amazon Associates, you find the page to sign up for this awesome affiliate program. Okay, now how are you going to put all this information together, and how are you going to get people to go to your affiliate links? The way to do this is by building an affiliate website, okay? So for you to have an affiliate marketing business, you're going to build an affiliate marketing website like mine, okay? Mine is at workanywherenow.com, and this is what it looks like. You will see I write articles about how to make money online, affiliate marketing. I talk about affiliate marketing a lot on here, and I show people about how to make money online using different methods and also affiliate marketing. So in this sense, what you're trying to do here is educate dog owners about dog services. Basically, you want to tell them how to take care of their dogs when they're traveling, how to take care of their dogs on every day, like they need exercise, and how to get them walking daily and get the exercise by going to like rover.com to get people to walk your dog, and just talk about everything about dogs and how to take care of them. And then you will find a way to recommend to all these different services when you're talking about different doggy aspects of dog caring. You can choose any of these programs and recommend them to these dog owners while you're talking about how to care for dogs. And you're going to add these affiliate products to your content. You're going to add all this affiliate links to your blog in your content as you're talking about how to take care of the dogs, okay? And how I learned to build this website and where I started, how to learn to do this, and how to learn it in a way that attracts its own visitors is by going to a training platform like this one, okay? Now, this is Wealthy Affiliate. This is the training platform that I trained with to learn how to build my affiliate website. See, this platform is designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. You are going to learn how to use affiliate marketing to build your online business, build a site like this, so you could teach other dog owners how to care for their dogs and how to find ways to have their dogs taken care of while they're away, or how to travel with them. So you can have like a dog site regarding of like maybe dogs on the go or dogs and exercise or something like that, okay? So that you'll just be referring people to places like how to get your dogs walked, how to get your dogs boarded, how to get your dogs walked while you're working, and where can you take your dogs, like which restaurants and stuff like that. So you can talk about so many things with your dog website, and Wealthy Affiliate is going to teach you how to do that, guys. This is how I started. This is where I started, and you want to sign up with my link, guys, because this is how you're going to see my little face on here. And the link that you're going to use is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Okay, I'm going to have the link in the video description as well as on the screen right now, so you can see it's going to be workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. That's how you're going to get to this site to sign up. And once you are inside the platform, you will be able to go through their lessons, okay? So here is the training that I have taken myself, as you can see, 100%, 100%, 100%. I've gone through this training, and I've gone through, they have 2 courses basically. So if you're doing the dog niche or any niche that you want to choose, you would use online entrepreneur certification. So this is for any niche you want to choose, okay? If you want to if you really like this program and you really like a Wealthy Affiliate and want to promote them, then you would use this other course called Affiliate Bootcamp. So you're going to be building a site like mine and promoting Wealthy Affiliate, okay? So those are the 2 main courses, but a majority of the members here use this one, as many people do pick their own niche, okay? So this is how I've been able to build a full-time online business with this training platform. And if you go to my profile, here's my profile. You can see down here on my posts here, you can view all, and then you can look at my history here and see how much money I've made with this program and how this has worked for me, and why you want to be signing up with me is that I offer free coaching services to everybody that sign up with me. And so I am somebody that makes money here with this program, with the training that has helped me earn an online income every month, 4 digits. And I've been able to do this with the training, and I know they can help you as well. So you just got to sign on using my link, and you will be able to get my services for free if you sign up with me. Okay, guys? So that's why I really like Wealthy Affiliate, because they have really changed my life because of the training that they've taught me and how to build my own online business. It's been a crazy ride, but it's been a wonderful ride because it is so worth to build one of these online businesses and use affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing. It's been one of my favorite ways to make money online. I hope it's yours too. And basically, this is just one idea of how to build an affiliate marketing business. Dude, you guys could use any topic for this and build whatever affiliate marketing business you want to do. Okay, it's not just for the dog niche, it's for every niche you could think of. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I will answer any questions that you have about this business. It is awesome. It is a way to build passive income. It is really the best way to build a full-time online income this way, and I really enjoy it. So I hope you do too, and I hope you sign up with me, and the link is underneath this video. This is the first link. Just click on that, sign up with me, and I will be your free coach on the platform. I'm on there every day as I help many people like you to start their own online business, guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like on this video. It really helps out my channel. And if you want to learn more ways to make money online, please subscribe to my channel as I bring up these videos every week. And if you hit that notification bell, you will get notified. You will get notified when my next video comes out, guys. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this, and I will see you on the next one. Okay.